So how can you hide the text alerts on iPhone in order to keep them private? I'm going to show you exactly how you need to do this, but before we get started, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one in the future. Anyways, you need to open up your settings app and locate the notifications section. So right there, you're going to change the notification settings for all of your apps, and you're going to tap on the show previews because, your notifications are going to display which app delivered them, but also the content is going to be slightly visible. So for example, if you receive a text, the first one or two lines are just going to be visible in the notification. And in here, you get to decide how it's going to work. So if you have it set to always, the preview will always be visible. If you set it to when unlocked, it means that on the lock screen, when the phone is not unlocked, you're not going to see any content, any previews of the text, and never is naturally the most private way to keep it, because that means that it doesn't even matter if you're using your phone or if it's locked or whatever, you will not see any content of the notification. So you can see you can change it like this for every single app and every notification on your iPhone. On the other hand, you can also manage it specifically and individually for the different apps. So that would mean that instead of using this blanket solution, you would go to the messages section specifically and change it just for this app, right? So for example, for the messages, you might set it to never if you feel that way, but perhaps some other notifications might be set up when unlocked or always. So that's how you can do this. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to successfully do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. I'll see you later in the next videos as well.